Hi guys, I'm Carmen.
And I'm Adriaan. This is take 5. We still
trying to do this.
Yeah, we're still pretty new at this. So basically, we're in Kenya. We have some explaining to do. This is our first video that is kind of in the direction that we want to take this channel, which is more, traveling and
Vlogging.
Places and vlogging. Yeah, so we've been in South Africa. We've been working. We had a pretty big work opportunity in the pipeline for about a year.
Yeah, a year and a half.
About a year and a half, yeah. Because of this whole, thing that's going on in the world right now. I don't want to say it, but we all know what it is. It's been really, really difficult. And then also with us being South African, I don't know.
It makes it so much more difficult than anyone else.
I mean, like for me, it's crazy because you come to places like Kenya where we are now. We're sitting in a hotel room because we have to quarantine here for 14 days, and you come to a place like this, and this is also Africa. And while it is modern, the hotel's very, very nice, and
very fancy.
We'll show footage of that now, and we'll show you. We'll give you a little bit of a room tour. While it is very nice and everything. Compared to South Africa is far more advanced and far more nicer. And then, I don't know, we as South Africans, according to the rest of the world, get treated differently. We get grouped in with Africa, where South Africa is not like Africa.
We have like top of the range, technology, and that's how.
Yeah, I mean, like we have super highways, and yesterday we came from the airport, and it was literally like in the movies, where there's people on motorbikes with, like, there was one guy, a whole family, and then there was another motorbike where he has dining room table and chairs on the back of a motorbike. There was scooters. There's people selling popcorn on the highway. There's potholes. There's no rules. It's 2 lanes, and there's 5 cars and 2 motorbikes in between everything, and South Africa's nothing like that. We have a super highway that you can compare to the autobahn. So in Germany. So I don't know, it's been a real struggle for us, but we're here now.
We finally made it here now. It's been a long struggle to get our visas, because with the consulates they weren't able to issue visas, and we actually had to fly to Cape Town just to be able to get our visas.
So we actually live in Pretoria in the Gauteng region, or as Americans say, the Gauteng region. But
Gauteng.
Gauteng, not Gauteng, Gauteng. But so we had to fly to another city just to get our visas, and we were actually very fortunate for doing that, because literally the following day the US banned South Africa again, which leads me into why we are here. We're here in Kenya, because we need to quarantine here for 14 days before we can move on to the US.
So that's where we're going. We're going to the US, and we're really excited. We just need to stay for 2 weeks, quarantine, like low-key, and then we can finally go into the US, and there we'll be taking you guys around with us, taking you on adventures, showing you guys different exciting places, and just bringing you along on the journey with us.
Yeah, so the thing is, we are on a work visa, so obviously work's going to be the number one focus, especially now because we've been employed by our employer in the US as of October already. So we've missed a lot of work already, so we're a bit late to the party, can you almost say. So we're really going to have to grind and just work a bit. So the content, it might not be so much, but we will put out content as much as possible. But it's best to, if you want to follow our content, follow on the Instagram and on TikTok. It's just Carmen_Adriaan on both of them, on TikTok and on Instagram. You can follow us there. We post quite often there, all the small in between things. Let's give you a bit of a room tour. So we've already unpacked, obviously, so you can see our suitcases are there. I was doing some work there. Nice big bed.
Very comfy.
We have a nice TV. It's actually hooked up to the internet, so you can cast on it, can I say? You can go on the internet on it and watch Netflix and things like that. But I did bring my PS4 with. So all the channels are here. I can watch the big deciding race of the Formula 1. I'm I'm a very big Lewis Hamilton fan, so if there are any Max Verstappen, Red Bull, can I say it, casual fans who hopped on the bandwagon at the last second when the Netflix series came out, alright, you guys are going to lose. Lewis is going to take the championship. I hope I don't jinx it now. But anyway,
touch wood.
Touch wood. That's not wood. That's wood. We continue. So we have a little kitchenette area over here. And then this is our sink, which you kind of have to use for, you know, everything. But you look like, I think it looks like a shower, but then the toilet and then the showers both together in one. And that's about it. So far, it's been a really good stay. Like we're going to show you now some of the footage of our little trip from the airport and maybe 1 or 2 pictures at the airport, and then just some footage of what the hotel looks like, because we did a little bit of a tour, a walk around with a really nice rooftop bar. But anyway, that's going to be us. Stick around for the footage, leave a like, and look out for the next video. Please subscribe, and then remember to follow us on Instagram and TikTok for more behind the scenes content.
Yeah. Bye guys.
Some of these things in España, in
It has a pool, and it's also got a bar and a restaurants area. You also have this amazing view of Kenya, and sometimes you can maybe see like some wildlife, but we haven't seen anything yet. So it's really nice view and a really nice chill area.
There's some more chill areas around that corner with a view, but they have a private event at the moment.
Yeah.
But yeah, we'll do a bit of a tour. There's a pool up here, and then there's another pool downstairs, and then yeah, with the gym area. We were there earlier, but they were doing some renovations in the gym.
So the gym's closed.
So I actually went in to try use the gym, but then they said no, unfortunately the gym's going to be closed for a couple of hours. But yeah, the hotel's beautiful. We'll take a bit of a video while we walk through the hotel, and then you can have a look. But look at that view, hey?
Stunning.
Crazy.
So Kenya.
We came on the most hectic bus ride and everything from the airport, and the airport didn't even look like an airport, but then a hotel like this is here. It's just
all you see is green and wildlife, and it's really beautiful.
yeah. This one, they're both the same, eh?
Yeah.
Jeez, I nearly just fell. I nearly just fell walking up the steps. Yeah. Very nice.
Really have some. Should we take the elevator?
Nah.